So one of the type of grid that you can actually use is a baseline grid as well, so that you can go ahead and balance out everything in Affinity. So to go ahead and work around with the baseline grid, you need to go around over here on to view and then click on baseline grid. So once you do that, you can go ahead and use baseline grid right here and show the baseline grid, and you can see the baseline grid right here. So you can see that this is what you have. The starting pixel is 0 point. So I can go ahead and increase this out, as you can see right here. And then you can see the baseline grid increases. You can go ahead right here and change the opacity right here and choose a color of the grid, as you can see right here, just like this as well. So you can see that you can arrange this in relative to the top of the page right here. So you can sift it out. You can change the position right here, and you can even go ahead and then make it off of top margin as well. So this is what you have. So with this grid, you have a straight line, as you can see. So now you can simply go ahead and take, let's say, for example, a shape right here, and then use this as a reference. But you can see that there is no snapping going on right here with the grid. So to enable it, you can go around over here onto view and then go to snapping right here and enable snap to baseline grid. Go ahead and close, and you can see that it snaps onto place right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and bring in another shape right here, I can go ahead and snap that on right onto the place as well. And this is how you can go ahead and use the baseline grid right here to go ahead and take everything in reference in your design. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.